Oh, this is serious. Can you imagine the serious kill of fuel at along with background? This is a very serious kill. The movie film station. Yeah, it's serious. It's a very, very serious kill. God knows when these people can see the kill here, you both here and there. The kill is what someone can never imagine. I wonder when these people are going to leave this place today. Can see the kill. Can see the kill. Can see the kill. Oh, God bless Nigeria. God help us. So I was told yesterday that one of my colleagues went to prison from 6 a.m. and left there around 6 p.m. in the evening. I wonder when these people are going to leave this place today. It is very, very terrible kill. Quick kill. Oh my God. God bless Nigeria. Serious.
لبيك اللهم لبيك
Pepelo ajinirun umra lilo nidera ali uzu bitana jona tabula do zike balo. Pepelo ajinirun umra lilo nidera ali uzu bitana jona tabula do zike balo. Kò sí èméjì àmọ̀kẹ́ ó dá mi lójú gedegbe wá ṣiṣẹ́ àjìlá ṣe pé hospitality wọ́n dúró accommodation wọ́n jẹ́ bàbá ticketing and reservation consultancy services destination advice pẹ̀lú tourism iṣẹ́ wọn ní group tours arrangements tó fẹ́ lọ àjì pẹ̀lú múra wa wọn ní mọ̀mọ́ tó lè bá lọ.
máa bọ̀ ní Al-Yusuf International Travels and Tours tó kalẹ̀ sí nọ́mbà 50 Ìṣàgá road Owódélé bus stop along Lut road Sùúrùlérè Lagos telephone 0803-512-4441 tàbí 0802-396-3632 ọ́fíìsì wọn tó wà nílùú Ìlọrin Ìbàdàn Ọ̀yọ́ Ayétòrò Al-Yusuf International Travels and Tours ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ni wọ́n fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ tiwọn.